Australian mining product and services. Over the years we have brought to the end user many standard and everyday products. Our objective has always been to help increase the reliability of the product, improve safety, and help reduce unscheduled maintenance. Our magnetic wear patch. High strength, high pressure resistant repair bandages. Dry and wet repair epoxies. Repair clamps. Has to date saved many millions of dollars in identified spillages or leaks that left unattended would have resulted in the EPA enforcing a mandatory process shutdown while the identified defective item was replaced. Innovative products like our ceramic, polyurethane, or CCO surfaced, magnetic backed liners deliver a huge reduction in time taken to return the plant to productive service. As well as being very cost-effective, they eliminate the use of specialist tools. Hot work permits. They contribute to personnel safety by a reduction or the complete elimination of manual handling and external scaffolding. We advise, source, and supply specialist valves, as well as valves with high abrasive wear and chemical corrosion resistance. We now bring to Australia our range of pumps with linings and spares to complement our expansion joints, fabricated and lined spools and hoses. Australian mining product and services. Bring to the Oceania region a range of pumps with linings in metal, rubber or polyurethane, with most requiring no modification to your current plant and equipment layouts. Our pumps and their linings offer substantial savings without a reduction in quality or reliability. Our after-sales offer a 24-hour 365-day service guarantee of continuous operation, a reduction in lead times, and we offer to carry emergency stocks on site, freeing up valuable monetary resources that can be directed to other areas. Our in-house manufacturing facilities, metal casting to machining and manufacture of linings, ensure that your exact requirements are met. Australian mining product and services. Thank you for viewing this presentation. We are only a free call away and you get most of your wear requirements from one source.